You won't believe what Aristotle Onassis once said. The secret of success is to know something nobody else knows. Here's a story to shed light. Meet Alex, a creative genius but stuck in a mundane job. Every morning he'd daydream about building an empire, but fear of failure shackled him. One day, tired of stagnation, he stumbled upon Onassis's quote, "A light bulb moment." Alex decided to harness a hidden strength he had overlooked, his unique ability to read people. Therefore, he entered the roller coaster world of sales. Armed with keen insights, he slowly negotiated deals like a maestro conducting an orchestra. But the secret wasn't just about sales, it was embracing his uniqueness. So when facing your dreams, remember, it's often something unspoken that holds the key. Ask yourself, what's your hidden strength? What do you know that nobody else does? Unleash that today.